Welcome to Jeev and Steev's Easy Math Tutorials. I am Jeev and today we will be learning how to add and subtract fractions. In our last video, we learned about what are fractions and we also learned how to simplify them. So, fractions are numbers that are less than 1 or a whole. In this video, we will be using pizza as an example. So, let's learn how to add fractions. So, this is my whole pizza. I am going to cut it into 2 slices. And I'm going to have 1 slice. So, this is my 1 pizza. Now I'm going to also have another pizza. I'm going to cut this pizza into 2 slices. And I'm going to have 1 slice. So, these are my 2 pizzas. But what happens when I add them? So, you can see that if I add these 2 pizzas, because I cut in the middle, right? So it's like a half. Because don't these pizzas look like a half of 1 pizza? So if we add these 2 together, it will equal 1 whole pizza. So it will equal 1 whole pizza. So this pizza plus this pizza equals this pizza. So what's the fraction of this pizza? Well, first we have to figure out how many pieces there were before we got 1. That's 2. And how many slices did I get? I got 1 slice. So I have to add this with another fraction. Before I got 1, there were 2. So I put 2 here. And then, how many did I get? 1. Let's put the 1 up here. So, it's 1/2 plus 1/2. The first thing you have to do is check if these both denominators are the same. Are these the same? Yes. So, we keep it the same for the answer. And the only thing you need to add is the numerator. So 1 plus 1, that equals 2. So fraction is like division. So this 2 divided by this 2 equals what? Well, it equals 1. So it makes sense, right? Because 1 is a whole. Meaning it's not a fraction anymore, it's a whole. So let's do some more addition. I'm going to add 1/4 plus 1/4. So let's write this down in pizza so you guys can better understand it. So this is my pizza. I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. Now I'm going to have 1 piece. And this is my other pizza. Now I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. And I'm going to also have another 1 piece. So, these are my 2 pizzas. And if I add them, what will it equal? Well, think, if you add these 2 together, it will equal this. will equal That means I got 2 slices. So, let's write this down. What's the answer? Well, first we need to see if the denominators are the same. Are they the same? Yes, they are. So, we keep it the same for the answer. And we add the numerators. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the answer is 2/4. But you always have to ask yourself this. Can you simplify it? Well, in our last video, we learned how to simplify fractions. We divide the top and the bottom using the same number. So we can divide this by what? Well, we can divide the 2 and the 4 by 2. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So that's the answer, 1/2. So, let's practice some more questions. So, let's do 2/8 plus 6/8. So, what's 2/8 plus 6/8? So, is the denominator the same? Yes, it is. So you keep it the same for that answer. Now, we just have to add the numerator. So what's 2 plus 6? 8. So we write right up here. So 8/8. We have to divide this 8 by this 8. So 8 divided by 8 equals 1. So it equals 1 whole, because 8 out of 8, and I got all the pieces. Let's do another one. So 11/20 plus 4/20. So, are the denominators the same? Yes. So we keep it the same for the answer. Now we just add the numerator. So 11 plus 4 equals 15. So 15/20. Can you simplify it? Yes, you can. You can divide the top and the bottom by 5. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3. And 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So 15/20 is equal to 3/4, meaning 3/4 is the answer. Let's do some more questions. So 9/15 plus 4/15. So, first we have to figure out, are the denominators the same? Yes. So we put 15 for the answer, for the denominator, and then we add the numerators. So what's 9 plus 4? 13. So the answer is 13/15. Can you simplify it? No, you can't. So this is the answer. Let's do one more. 5, 12, plus 3/12. So, are the denominators the same? Yes. So that means we keep 12 for the denominator, for the answer. And what's 5 plus 3? 8. So it's 8/12. Is it? Can we simplify it? Yes, you can. You can divide the top and the bottom by 4. So 8 divided by 4 equals 2. And 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So the answer is 2/3. So, adding fractions with the common denominator is actually pretty easy. Just like adding fractions, subtracting fractions is also very easy. Let's learn how to subtract fractions with the common denominator. This is going to be the question. 3/4 minus 1/4. So 3/4 minus 1/4. So let's write this as pizza so you guys can understand it better. So this is my whole pizza, and to make it look like 3/4, I need to cut it into 4 slices, and you get 3. So I have 3 slices of this pizza. So my mom cut it into 4 and gave me 3. So this pizza minus 1/4. So that means we have to draw the pizza like this. 4 slices, 1. And there's 1. So this is 3, right? My brother took away 1. So it's saying like 3 minus 1. That's 2. So that means I only have 2 pizza left. So I only have 2 pizzas left. So how can I write it down here? Well, let's answer this in math. So the denominators are the same, right? So I keep it the same for the answer. And I just subtract the numerator. So 3 minus 1. That is 2. So the answer is 2/4. Can you simplify it? Yes, you can. You can divide the top and the bottom by 2. So 2 divided by 2 and 4 divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. And 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So the answer is 1/2, which makes sense, because 2/4 is a half of the whole. So let's practice some more questions. Okay, so the question is going to be 8/10 minus 3/10. So what do we have to figure out first? First we have to check if the denominators are the same. And yes, they are the same. So we put it right down here, answer. Then we have to subtract the numerators. So what's 8 minus 3? 5. Put the 5 up here. So the answer is 5/10. Can you simplify it? Yes, you can. You can divide the top and the bottom by 5. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1, and 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So the answer is 1/2. Let's do another one. 6/8 minus 1/8. So 6/8 minus 1/8. So what's the answer? First we have to check the denominators, and they're the same, so we put it for the answer. Next we have to subtract the numerators, which are 6 and 1. 6 minus 1 equals 5. So the answer is 5/8. So my friends, see how easy it is to add and subtract fractions? All you have to do is check if the bottom numbers are the same, also known as the denominator. And if they are, just keep it the same for the answer. Then you could add or subtract the numerator, or the top number. And then you just have to simplify it. Keep practicing at home. I have a question for you. What if the bottom number, the denominator, is different? We will learn that in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until then, take care and bye.